Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to flip off a swing. And it's kind of raining right now, so just bear with it. If it ever raindrops just get in the way. Okay. So first off, you have to learn how to flip off a swing. You know what? Actually, first you gotta learn how to flip off the rings. Put effort on your legs. Put all your effort from the top of your body to your legs. Like this. If you're left-handed, then put your left foot up. Or if you're right-handed, put your right foot up. Like, I'm right-handed, so I do it with my right foot. So I do it like this. I do it like this. My right foot is up. And then both of my hands come down. So, this is what you first do. Okay, this is what you first do. We'll go on your back. It's kind of wet right here, man. Go on your back. Go upside down like that, and flip over. Do that over and over again until you mastered it. And then next, do the slingshot. Do it like this. You're right here. See me? Oh! Okay, it's like that. Oh, that rain is so annoying. And then you keep getting higher, 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 and higher, and higher, and higher, and higher. You just get higher, like this. Then flip off. Just keep getting higher and higher. And I'll show you how high I can get. Can you see me here? Let's do it. There. Okay. Watch it. Ah! Sorry about that. Like this. Just get higher, higher, and higher every time. Higher. If you watch my second video, you'll see me do all sorts of that stuff. Like do all sorts of like flips off the swings and stuff. And then you get really high. Soon you can get really high. You just keep getting higher and higher. I prefer you to do about a foot or like 6 inches, somewhere near that. Then you can master flipping like this. You can just master it. I did with the FLIPPROS. Yeah, I didn't land that one, but you can master it. Like the swing. Okay, hope you learned how to do it.